I want to share a safe and affordable hair remedy that is great for your hair. This home remedy will help reduce shedding, it will minimize hair fall, it will also help with hair growth. The things I'm using for this recipe are probably things you already have in your kitchen. If that's something you're interested in, keep watching. What we'll be using for this recipe is 1 onion, a little ginger, and 3 cloves of garlic. On their own, these ingredients are good for the hair, they are potent. Mixing them up will give you great results, but if you're allergic to any of them, feel free to skip it. I'm going to start by washing them. Something to note here is that I'm not going to peel them. There are a lot of nutrients in the peels. If you're somebody who peels the back of your onion when you want to make remedies, please keep this. There are a lot of nutrients in the peels. There are a lot of nutrients in the peel of your garlic and also the peel of your ginger. We're just going to cut this up roughly. It doesn't have to be fine chopping. What I'm going to do is put it in the blender next. Let me know in the comment section if you've used onions in your hair. So after chopping off everything, I put them in the blender and put a little water, just very little, to blend them. Make sure you blend your paste properly. And when you blend, please, you have to strain. Strain it very well. What we want here is the liquid. I'm using a fine cloth to strain this so that we don't have particles going into our liquid. I don't want particles left in the hair. After straining, I just turned this into a bottle that has a dropper. If you have an applicator bottle, please use. If you have a spray bottle, you can put this to and use with a spray bottle. Now this is my onion juice. What I'm going to do is apply this to my hair. So I'm going to use this before washing my hair. These ingredients have a pungent smell, so I don't want them left in my hair. That's why I'm not using it after I shampoo my hair. What I'm going to do is apply to the scalp and the hair. I'm not applying to only my scalp. I'm going to apply to my scalp and my hair. If you notice, the ginger I used was not very much. If you use too much of the ginger, it could irritate your scalp. Like I had said before, if you react to any of these ingredients, you can skip them. It is believed that onion juice on the scalp may boost circulation of blood to the follicles, which in turn improves hair growth. The sulfur in onions may help with collagen production, which helps the production of healthy skin cells, which will lead to hair growth. Onions helps in preventing hair loss. This is a remedy that has been used for a long time and the benefits have been seen. Onions has anti-inflammatory properties and antibacterial properties that help to keep the scalp healthy. It helps to prevent breakage and thinning hair. It also helps to rid the scalp of infection and dandruff. Ginger reduces hair fall. It soothes your scalp when it's irritated. It fights dandruff and also fights hair loss. Garlic helps to strengthen the roots of the hair, thereby reducing hair fall. When your roots are strengthened, it will reduce, unnecessary shedding. It helps to combat scalp infections. Garlic also boosts circulation to the scalp, and we know that when blood circulates properly to the scalp, it will promote hair growth. Garlic may also help in preventing hair loss. Guys, this remedy is simple and effective. I know that some people are put off by the smell of onion and garlic. The smell can really be minimized if you use an apple cider vinegar rinse. Now back to the hair. You can see I sectioned the hair. I'm working section by section to make sure that every part of my hair gets this good juice. I'm not only just applying it, I also massage lightly when I apply it. I'm applying to the tips, I'm applying to the roots, I'm making sure I work it into my hair. When I finish with a plait, I twist up that section and keep and move on to the next section. Guys, let me know in the comment section, are you one who has used onion juice and what was your experience? Please tell us in the comment section. If you've watched up to now and you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, click on that notification bell so that whenever I post videos, you'll be one of the first to get them. When I'm done applying, I massage my scalp lightly. I'm quite tender-headed, so I don't like massaging vigorously. I massage the scalp gently, and then I cover my hair with a plastic bag. I leave this on for 1 hour before washing my hair with shampoo. After washing my hair with the shampoo, if the smell is still there, if I can still notice the smell, I can just rinse with apple cider vinegar diluted in water. It is good to leave this on your scalp for a while so that it can work properly. Guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It actually helps my small YouTube channel grow. I hope this video has been of help to you. Thank you so much for watching. Do have a blessed day. I'll see you next time. Bye.